Stop fertilizing these houseplants before it's too late. Have you ever fed your plant and then watched it slowly die? You thought fertilizer would help, but sometimes it does the opposite. Let me show you 5 times when feeding your plant can destroy it. Freshly bought plants. When you bring a new plant home, don't fertilize it right away. You don't know when the grower last fed it. Adding more nutrients now can burn the roots and shock the plant. Let it rest for at least 3 to 4 weeks first. Repotted plants. After repotting, your plant is already stressed. It's adapting to new soil, light and moisture. Fertilizer at this stage can overwhelm the roots and cause leaf drop. Wait until you see new growth before feeding again. Sick or pest-infested plants. If your plant is weak, droopy, or full of pests, please don't fertilize it. Fertilizer is not medicine. It can make things worse by forcing new growth while the plant is fighting for survival. Focus on healing first, feeding later. During winter, in cold seasons, plants slow down. They don't need much food. Feeding during winter can build up salts in the soil and damage the roots silently. It's better to pause feeding until spring returns. When the soil is dry and hard, never fertilize dry soil. Dry roots can't absorb nutrients properly. Instead, they'll burn. Always water first, then feed the next day when the soil is moist and alive. Have you ever noticed your plant struggling after fertilizing it? What did you do about it? Tell me in the comments below. Share this video with a plant lover so they don't make the same mistake. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple plant care tips. Earlier, I made another video where I shared 5 more reasons why you should never fertilize certain plants. Go check it out after this one. It might just save your green friends. Take care of your plants with love, and may every leafy and healthy home stay bright.